So for the first look, I have paired up this oversized jumper with some blue denim and white sneakers. This is more of a casual look, and what you can do for this look, if it's a very colder region where you stay in, you can just layer it up with a leather jacket and look just fine, or you can do a denim on denim thing, and you can change up the white sneakers with boots if you want to dress up the look. And what I will suggest is, because it is a very casual look, you can just put your hair back in a pony. That'll look real nice. So yeah, and you can wear bigger hoop earrings and stuff, and you can wear a chunky watch with it, which I'm not wearing. So yeah, you can totally do that. What else is, like, you can tuck your shirt in like this to make it look a bit more interesting. So yeah, this can be your look. And you can wear a stylish belt. If you tuck it in like this, you can wear a stylish belt which will show and look nice. So yeah, this can be the first look to wear. Okay, so for the next look, this is what I'm wearing. So the basic idea of this outfit is to team up a oversized sweater with some plain denims or trousers, and then wearing some fun footwear, because if you're putting on an oversized sweater and a plain pants, then the fun element should be your shoes. That is here. So what I have done is I have put on a fuzzy sweater. This is not oversized, it fits me perfectly, but it's an off-shoulder fuzzy sweater and it's in a blush color. And then I wore some black pants, and to match the first theme I went on with some fur slides. So yeah, that is that. For this kind of a look, it's more of a glam chic look. You can do is keep your hair straight or a bit curly and keep it open. I think it'll look better. What you can do is put on one side more down of your off shoulders sweater, put on a belt over here, or if you feel a bit more cold, you can just layer it up with a jacket. You can put an infinity scarf around your neck. The possibilities are endless. For the earrings and accessories, you can wear a long chain and a choker, or layered neck pieces. For the ears, I will ask you to keep it to studs or very small drop earrings. That will look good. You can wear some stackable bracelets and rings if you like. That'll look real good. And you can also put it like a bit up, tuck it here and put it on a belt. This just makes the whole outfit a bit more interesting. That is why I tuck it like this on one side and put on a belt. But you can totally skip this and keep it like this, simple and classy. If it is a Valentine's Day, you need to include some floral dresses. So this is one of the options I have, with some heels and a jacket. If you want, you can totally skip the leather jacket and wear a longer jacket with it. For this girly look, I would ask you to do a hair updo. Basically, on the Valentine's Day, I will ask you always to keep the hair up and away from your face, so that you keep the attention on you, on your face, and not lost in your hairs. For this, you can just do a simple updo. Sorry for the noise. And you can wear some danglers or teardrop earrings. And I think for this look, it's better to stick to heels. If you feel a bit colder, you can just wear some stockings or black tights, and then you can switch up to high boots. They'll look good, but don't go up higher than your ankle because the dress length is quite long. So yeah, so this is another way of wearing a floral dress with a longer jacket. bodycon dress and layer it up with some leather jackets or any kind of a blazer if you like. So for the footwear, I have chose some white sneakers. Now I don't know how many of you know this, but sneakers can be a real good way to put with your dresses to stay more comf. So yeah, this can be another look. You can put your hair up, an updo or an apani if you like, some good earrings, a sleek chain like this. I'm wearing one, and some charm bracelet will look great with it. So yeah, this can be a great option for your Valentine's Day. A dress like this, so you will say it's very plain and basic and what's so special about it, but there comes the trick that I want to show you guys, is that for a dress like this, you can dress it up and dress it down to any level you want. You can wear sneakers just like I'm doing right now, or you can wear some heels, boots, wedges, slippers, anything. You can put in a belt around your waist to cinch it, or you can just leave it loose. You can keep your hair up, down, wear hoops, danglers, bigger, smaller, studs, anything. You get your hands to put on any stackable bracelets on any kind of watches you want, chunkier or more sleeker ones. You just need to do it accordingly. So the ways I'm gonna tell you are like this. If you're wearing some of the sneakers, you can do is wear hoops, oversized distressed denim jacket, a chunky watch, some rings, and put your hair like this or up in a bun or a pony. You're sorted. The next thing you can do is cinch your waist here with a belt, with a classier belt, and wear a cardigan with it, and wear some heels or boots and tights if you want, and some charm bracelet and a sleeker watch. That'll look great. Another way is wear a chunkier belt around your waist, and then wear a leather jacket, and you can again sweep your hair backwards and wear some hoops or some small studs, and wear a medium sized watch, some stackable bracelets, and some boots. You're done, literally done. You can trust me, you can dress it up. It's like a blank canvas. You can do anything with it. So that's one look. But this is more of a summery look. You need to add a blazer or a jacket with it. Or if you're from somewhere there is not much cold on the Valentine's Day, you can definitely wear it like this. One more thing you can do with these is that this can be your day look. This can be your day look, and then you can put on a jacket over it or more classier cardigan with it, and change up those shoes for some boots or some heels, and then you're sorted, and that can become your night look. So you don't have to figure out two outfits, or if you're buying, you don't need to buy two outfits. You can just buy one and you're done. All the outfit details will be mentioned in the down bar below, so please make sure to check it out. If you like my video, please make sure that you subscribe, like, share, comment, anything you want, and I'll see you next time. Bye.